This is the spot. This is the place where it all went down. Wow, see, look how tall this is. Wow, that's the tall part right there. A bunch of kivas in here, all these are kivas. Okay, now we're inside Pueblo Bonito. And this is super awesome. Oh, there's the tallest wall there. I'm taking a video. Alright. Another kiva here. So awesome. Bunch of little storage spaces probably. They got their food storage for the coronavirus here. Hand sanitizers. It's magical. Wow. Where do we go? There's so many places to go.
We look like we are in a maze.
Wow, is this sweet, Jenna?
We look like we're in a maze.
Mazel's over here taking pictures. I'm coming. Wow. Okay, let's go through this thing. You gonna follow me? What's over here? Wow, there's more stuff. Should we go through here? Too scary? Okay, I just made it inside this kind of refurbished room with the ceiling. I think the walls have been replastered. Just got to get this little video here. This is the Casa Rinconada, the biggest kiva at Chaco Canyon. Pretty sweet, huh? It's pretty awesome. I feel like it's like a Roman Colosseum. It's like this big structure made a long time ago.